Hello, this is Liquid Ocelot, and I'm just going to tell you. Um, uh, just created a video right now on how to easily create um, custom template, end screen template for YouTube using MS Paint and Windows Movie Maker. Now, at the end of the video I talked about how to um, your um, uh, upload your custom movie, your end screen template attached to another video. Well, it's very simple. You can use any software, but for this tutorial I'm going to use example. First of all, what I'm going to do is, this is the template that I created. I'm going to click edit and go to 20 seconds and click enter, and now I'm going to just save the movie, save it, high definition, just screen template, and I'll just save this. Now 20 seconds, and now thing is, all you have to do is, while editing your video, you add this 20-second end screen template outro to your video, and just render your video and upload it. So this will show, this template will show, and then you can add elements, subscribe element and all the elements from end screen template, end screen over here. Videos, video manager, and it's quite easy. I already showed you how to do this in the previous video. Just I'll do it once again. I'll go to end screen, and you see a template is already over here. You see the template is already over here. These elements, yeah, the subscribe element, the video, two videos element, and also you can use other templates and make, as I have shown you in the tutorial, you can make all sorts of templates using MS Paint and Windows Movie Maker Live. I hope you like this video. Please let me know in the comments below what you think. Thank you so much. I'll be signing off. Take care.